I just bought this sunlight lamp to decorate this space, so let's start with an unboxing of this iPad Air using this small lamp. Hi guys, this is the new iPad Air M2. You already may know the powerful that the iPad Pro M4 it is, but also you may know the expensive that the iPad Pro is, starting from $1,000 without the keyboard and the Apple Pencil Pro. Alongside, we have the iPad Mini 7, but I don't think it's the best value for the price you are paying. Let me explain to you, but don't forget to subscribe and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. This iPad right here, it's going to be the most valuable for the price, and obviously it's going to be the best seller. And here are some important differences between these two iPads, the Mini and the iPad Air. The first one is the processor. The Air uses the chip M2 and the Mini an A17 Pro, the same as the iPhone 15 Pro that was released 1 year ago. But I think you are not going to notice these differences for daily uses. But yes, the M2 it's technically faster, has a better core, but for daily uses their differences are minimum. The second difference is the smart connector. You may know that both have USB Type-C connectors, but the iPad Air has smart connectors at the back. This allows you to use the Magic Keyboard, where the iPad Mini doesn't have it. In terms of audio, they are barely the same. They have landscape stereo speakers and 2 microphones. In these two iPads, you are not going to have Face ID. If you want this feature, you have to go for the iPad Pro. This is not a big deal, but it's comfortable to have Face ID. In both of these iPads, you can use the Apple Pencil Pro, and this is one of the best accessories you will need for your iPad. I think this is a must. Another important differences between these two iPads is the screen. We know that both of the iPads have 60 Hz, but the iPad Mini is smaller, having a screen of 8.9 inches in comparison to the 11 inches screen of the iPad Air. If you want to have a higher refresh rate, like 1020 Hz, you will have to go to the iPad Pro. There are not too much differences between these two iPads, but why you should buy a smaller screen like the iPad Mini having an iPhone Pro Max, even if you have an iPhone Pro or an iPhone Plus? Look, the prices of these two devices are $100. The Mini is $500 and the Air is $600. And obviously you have a cell phone. I think it's totally worth it to pay $100 for the Air for a bigger screen, a better chip, a better camera, and have more options for connectivity like the Magic Keyboard. I'm going to leave you here some other features that the iPad Air have. The camera of this iPad has moved to the right and it's very good for meetings. In the Air we have a 2.0 aperture and in the Mini we have a 2.4. This means that in the iPad Air we are going to have a better performance in low light situations, but the truth is, who uses an iPad to record videos, or who uses even the front camera? The iPad Air is heavy and thicker than the iPad Pro, and this is something strange because of the names of these two products. In Apple, Air, it always refers to the weight of the product, but this is not the case. For this iPad you can select different memory storage from 1028 GB to 1 TB, and in 4 different colors: blue, purple, starlight, and this one that is the space gray. And also we have 2 models, the 11-inch, that is this one, and the 13-inch. I use this iPad for daily uses like watch Netflix series, anime in Crunchyroll, edit photos, and also I try to edit videos in CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. And this iPad do the work in every aspect. A little bit slow in editing videos, but it's very capable. In conclusion, don't spend money in an iPad Mini and go straight to the iPad Air. You also can use it as a second monitor, and the price differences is not too big. A big difference is when you want to buy an iPad Pro. And with this, I'm not saying that the iPad mini it's not good. I think it's a very good, but the iPad Air have more things to offer for productivity. This is my personal opinion, so let me know yours in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. We are very close to reach out the 1000 subscribers, so don't forget to activate the notifications bell and see you in the next video.